In today's world, being environmentally conscious is more important than ever. Making your own eco-friendly cleaning products is easy and beneficial. These natural alternatives are safe for the environment, health, and finances. Simple household ingredients create effective, chemical-free solutions. Traditional cleaners can harm the planet and personal health. Eco-friendly options reduce pollutants, preserving ecosystems. Homemade cleaners are often cheaper, saving money. They provide an excellent alternative to harsh chemicals. Natural ingredients are effective and safe for everyday use. They tackle a wide range of cleaning tasks. Switching to eco-friendly cleaning is empowering. It allows control over home chemicals and contributes to a healthier planet. Creating your own cleaning products is a fun and rewarding DIY project. The environmental impact of cleaning products is a major concern for many eco-conscious consumers. Traditional cleaners often contain chlorine, phosphates, or nitrates, which can contaminate water supplies and harm wildlife. By using eco-friendly alternatives, you contribute to reducing your household's ecological footprint and help protect natural resources. Health benefits also play a crucial role when it comes to choosing eco-friendly cleaning solutions. Many conventional products release volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, that can irritate the respiratory system and skin. By opting for natural ingredients, you minimize exposure to these harmful substances, creating a safer living environment for you and your family. Cost savings are another significant advantage of making your own cleaning products. Most recipes involve ingredients like baking soda, vinegar, or essential oils, which are not only affordable but also versatile. By investing in a few key items, you can produce various cleaners that suit different household needs without breaking the bank. Improving indoor air quality is a benefit often overlooked when considering cleaning products. The use of fewer chemical-laden products helps maintain a home environment with cleaner air, reducing the risk of respiratory issues. This change can be particularly beneficial for individuals with allergies, asthma, or other respiratory conditions. One of the simplest eco-friendly products to create is an all-purpose cleaner. This versatile solution can be used on a wide range of surfaces, including countertops and windows. To make it, combine 1 cup of white vinegar with 1 cup of water in a spray bottle. For added fragrance and antibacterial properties, you can include 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oil. In the kitchen, dealing with grease and grime can be a challenge. A simple yet effective kitchen cleaner can be made using 1 cup of vinegar, 1 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. This combination works well for cutting through tough kitchen messes without leaving behind harmful residues. Another effective kitchen solution is to use lemon juice. This natural ingredient is excellent for deodorizing and cleaning cutting boards or removing stains from countertops. Its natural bleaching properties also make it useful for brightening kitchen sinks and other surfaces. For those who prefer a citrusy scent, adding lemon essential oil to any of the cleaning solutions can enhance the cleaning power and leave a fresh aroma. Not only does it smell great, but it also has natural antibacterial properties, making it a valuable addition to your homemade cleaning products. Section 4. Specialized bathroom and oven cleaners. Bathrooms often require specific cleaners due to the presence of soap scum and limescale. A simple bathroom cleaner can be made using 1 cup of vinegar, 1 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of Castile soap. This mixture effectively cleans sinks, tubs, and tiles, leaving them sparkling without harsh chemicals. For the tougher task of cleaning ovens, a baking soda paste works wonders. Mix half a cup of baking soda with enough water to form a paste. Apply it to the oven surfaces and allow it to sit overnight. The baking soda will break down grease and grime, making it easy to wipe away with a damp cloth the next day. To tackle mold or mildew in the bathroom, a solution of vinegar and tea tree oil can be effective. Mix 1 cup of vinegar with 10 drops of tea tree oil and spray on the affected areas. Leave it for a few minutes before scrubbing, and the natural antifungal properties of tea tree oil will help eliminate the mold. For a refreshing bathroom scent, consider using eucalyptus essential oil. Adding a few drops to your bathroom cleaner can provide not only a pleasant aroma, but also additional antibacterial and antifungal benefits, making your cleaning efforts even more effective. Section 5. Laundry detergents and disinfectant wipes. Making your own laundry detergent is another great way to embrace eco-friendly cleaning. Start with a grated bar of pure soap, 1 cup of washing soda, and 1 cup of borax. Mix these ingredients and store them in an airtight container. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons per load for clean, fresh-smelling laundry without the chemical additives found in commercial detergents. For those who prefer disinfectant wipes, making a reusable version is simple. Combine 1 cup of water, half a cup of white vinegar, and 10 drops each of tea tree, eucalyptus, and lemon essential oils. Soak cloths in this solution and store them in an airtight container. These wipes are perfect for quick cleanups and can be washed and reused, reducing waste. Essential oils not only add a pleasant fragrance to your cleaning products but also have natural antibacterial properties. This makes them an excellent addition to any DIY cleaning product, enhancing both the scent and effectiveness of your homemade solutions. By using homemade laundry detergents and disinfectant wipes, you reduce your reliance on single-use plastics and chemical-laden products. This shift not only saves money, but also lessens the environmental impact of your cleaning routine. Section 6. Key ingredients and their uses. Baking soda is a staple in many eco-friendly cleaning recipes due to its versatile nature. It acts as a deodorizer, softens water, and serves as an effective scouring agent. Its gentle, abrasive quality makes it perfect for tackling tough stains without damaging surfaces. Vinegar is another key ingredient, known for its ability to cut through grease, deodorize, and disinfect. Its acidic nature makes it effective against limescale, making it a valuable component in bathroom and kitchen cleaners. Despite its strong scent, vinegar's odor dissipates quickly, leaving areas clean and fresh. Lemon juice is prized for its natural bleaching and deodorizing properties. It can be used to clean kitchens and bathrooms, leaving surfaces bright and smelling fresh. Additionally, lemon juice can help to eliminate stubborn stains, and can be used as a natural glass cleaner when mixed with water. Castile soap is a versatile and gentle cleaning agent that can be used in a variety of cleaning solutions. Made from natural oils, it's biodegradable and effective for cleaning without harsh chemicals. It's an ideal choice for those looking to make gentle yet effective cleaning products. Section 7. Tips for sustainable cleaning practices. One simple way to enhance your sustainable cleaning routine is to use reusable cloths instead of disposable wipes. This small change can significantly reduce waste and lower your household's environmental footprint. Old t-shirts or towels can be cut into cleaning rags, providing a second life to materials you might otherwise discard. Buying ingredients locally is another great way to improve the sustainability of your cleaning routine. By purchasing locally sourced products, you reduce the carbon footprint associated with transporting goods over long distances. This practice supports local economies while benefiting the environment. When purchasing cleaning products, look for those with refillable options. Many eco-friendly brands offer refills, which help minimize packaging waste and reduce the overall environmental impact of your cleaning supplies. Refillable products are a convenient and sustainable choice for the eco-conscious consumer. Finally, consider choosing certified eco-friendly products when buying commercial cleaners. Look for certifications from programs like the EPA's Safer Choice, which highlight products that meet specific environmental and health standards. These certifications can guide consumers in making informed, sustainable choices. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more game-changing tips.